Are you proud of your student right now or what?
Yeah, I might start calling you chef.
How's this look?
Pretty good, chef.
You want it more?
It's ramen time.
Yeah.
It's ramen time. I'm pretty excited. I'm hungry.
We got vegan ramen.
Yes. Or just ramen.
Sorry.
That's okay.
It's on me. Gotta take accountability.
Yeah, we already get enough, slack for the vegan, whatever.
It's a
but
conspiracy though.
it's just food. It's just food, people.
Okay, we got carrots. You cut them
We got
nicely.
carrots.
I did not cut these, as people will be able to tell. Yeah.
One day. One day.
One day.
Daikon radish.
Daikon radish, kale, avocado, cilantro.
There's some toppings that we already started working on. We've got corn, we've got nopales, we've got some tofu that was sauteed in shoyu. Yeah, I'ma show you. Now I'ma show you what it was. Okay, there you go.
That is a real thing. No, she didn't just make that up.
Now I'ma show you. Okay.
I didn't realize it's its actual name.
See, there's a lot of fun kitchen jokes,
Another
which
kitchen joke.
are hilarious
Yeah.
to me.
It's about that time.
All right. So the
Missed my kitchen joke.
oh, I did. Yeah, good one.
It's alright.
You're catching
It's
them.
alright.
All right. So our pot is on high.
Pot's on high.
Medium, and I'm gonna put some organic sesame oil,
Okay.
and then we're gonna saute these guys.
Okay.
Oh, I also have some leeks. Did you
Can't
see
forget
the
the
leeks
leeks.
over there somewhere?
I see them.
Okay, we need leeks, we need the corn cobs, and we need the ginger.
These leeks.
Yes,
Okay, I don't really know what leeks are.
those are leeks.
Need the corn cobs.
Some leeks. We'll put the leeks in after the carrots, daikon, and ginger.
The miso stays here.
Yeah, the miso is the last thing we do.
Okay. So first up, we're going carrots.
Yeah, let's do carrots first.
Scared the shit out of me, man. Scared the shit out of me. You knew that was coming. You knew it was coming. You
I
super-
tried to warn you.
did.
Okay. I think we could add the daikon right now as well. Don't let it beat you.
Yeah, exactly. Was that a kitchen joke?
No. Oh, yes it was.
Daikon. How do you spell that?
Daikon.
Oh wow, I would have wanted to see. I was wrong.
And while that's cooking, we need to wash and chop our kale and our cilantro.
How am I doing?
Very good. Maybe a little less scraping of the knife across the board.
Sorry, that dulls it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Back of the knife into the nice cool bowl that we bought at Pike Place Market. And I say we, I mean you.
No, that one's from the Ethiopian market.
Oh, my bad.
In Sioux Falls, South Dakota.
Oh, pretty cool.
Yeah. But this one is also not from Pike's Place. Those ones are. Sorry. I'm just getting a lot of plates and bowls that all look really similar, but they're all from
cool.
different places. Did you wash that one?
Nope.
Okay.
I might have messed it up.
Let's wash it first.
I did a little rough chop one way, now I'm gonna go the other way.
Nice.
See how. Are you proud of your student right now or what?
Yeah, I might start calling you chef.
How's this look?
Pretty good, chef.
You want it more?
Next, we're gonna put some of the soy sauce, the Nama Shoyu, and
Okay.
after that, we're gonna add water to make our broth.
You want to add it?
No, you add it.
I'll add it, okay.
I'm
How
gonna
much?
clean up
How much?
a lot. So we're gonna fill with water and put in the corn.
Okay, put the corn in first.
Either way,
Okay.
same time is good.
So the corn cob is just there for taste, and obviously we're gonna take those out at the end.
Yes.
Okay.
So anytime I use corn, I like to save the cobs for broth. It's delicious. There's always little remnants of the corn on there to get a nice sweet flavor. So we put our 3 corn cobs in and we're gonna let them boil with the veggies and then take them out before we mix in our miso to finish the soup.
And what do we do with the avocado?
That's gonna be part of our ramen garnish.
Oh, I like that.
So we're gonna cut that up now.
Brown pad thai rice noodles.
They're very good. Gluten-free.
Yep. Corn is out.
Yes.
Now it's kale time. Or not yet.
Yeah, kale time.
Kale
for
time.
Sure. Kind of like separate the noodles from each other, so make sure they're not sticking. Yeah. Here I have the miso and the broth, and I'm just gonna mix those together.
Got it.
So next time you can make this. You already made this once,
I
right?
feel like I might have.
In LA.
We made it here once too.
Yeah. But that was supervised.
Yes. Oh, you didn't like that one?
Oh no, I'm testing it. I'm gonna test it by throwing it against the wall.
Why? How did you pick that one?
Not ready.
Yeah, now we're looking good over here.
Smoother.
Yes.
This funky shirt of yours perfectly matches the ramen.
It really does. I purposely put this on to match.
It's like green, orange, gold,
Yeah.
and yellow.
There's just no horses in there. There's some
No,
lovely horses running.
because it's vegan ramen.
If it wasn't vegan wrong, there'd be
There's
horses.
tons of
running.
horses.
Yeah, lots of horses in there. And we're back.
Yeah, now it's on.
Time to add the miso.
Excellent.
Don't we just dump it in here?
Yep.
Does it automatically mix?
Nope.
We gotta mix it, don't we?
Nothing's automatic in cooking.
No, I didn't. Is that a thing?
I don't know.
Is that a saying? I mean, no.
Nope. It is now.
I use this thing.
Yeah. It's our paddle spoon. But you do the avocado, I'll get some soup in here,
Love that.
and then
How do you want me to cut this avocado? Cubes?
like slices.
Got it.
And just so everyone can see how like your shirt this ramen actually is.
There it is.
We have this. Okay, I'm gonna do some corn. Some nopales. This is a very traditional Mexican ramen item. Or fried tofu. Some seared asparagus with Shoyu.
This looks pretty epic.
This is just a normal like sushi nori sheet.
Sorry, I'm getting a good view here.
All right, let's put a few of these guys. There we go. And some of this Avocado. We got this sprinkling green nori seaweed that I like. It's got sesame seeds in there too. Boom,
There
chicken
it is.
boom.